As requested by Graham, quick run through on the chords and strumming for Dirty Old Town. Simple song, just a repetitive chord sequence, same thing on all the verses. It's all verses, there's no real chorus. The chords: C, A minor, F, and D minor, but not necessarily in that order. All of the chord symbols are on the chord sheet, which I've posted, so you should be able to find out how to play them. Okay, now the intro is like it's the last line intro. It's think dirty old town, except we come in at town on the D minor. So it's dirty old town, dirty old town, and then I found my love, and it starts off a cappella, no chord, and it comes in on the C on love. Now, the first chord is D minor. Right, depends how you play. You play it with 3 fingers or 2 fingers. Right, and it's 2 bars on that. And the strum pattern's like a swashy. So it's twice for that pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's 1, 2, down, up, down. And then 1 on the A minor. And then 1 strike on the C. So it sounds like this. Dirty old town. Found my love, and that's where we're in, because it's in C, so that's where the first chord is. I found my love by the gasworks croft. I dreamed a dream, F, by the old C. I kiss my stay on C by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. So it's that strumming pattern. Will get you all the way through it, and those chords, it's just repeated, except the very last line of the last verse. We repeat the last line, dirty old town, dirty old town. And instead of stopping on that last A minor, we keep on strumming. So the last verse would be, I found my love by the gasworks croft. I dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Keep strumming and repeat. Dirty old town, slow down. Dirty old town, and end on the C. So instead of going to the A minor, you go straight to the C. Okay. One little trick we tend to do is put this on the C. I found my love by the gasworks croft. It's just a little trick, and all it is we go from the C, leave the C on, and then use our second finger to come on and off the 2nd fret of the 4th string. You'll hear hear sometimes people singing and going do 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 do, and that's it really. It's a simple song, nice, effective. Not my key to singing, hence why it sounds like infrasound. It's too low for me. I think I'd do it in G myself. Anyway, that's the song. Hope it's of use to you.